In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single arm overhead tricep extension on one of these cable machines. Now, firstly, before we get into the exercise, there's loads of different attachments that you can use to replicate this exercise. My favorite would be the rope attachment. And if that's used for whatever reason, secondly, I would then start using this single handle attachment. So you'll get exactly the same execution of the exercise, it's just slightly different grip variations in the two exercises. So I'm going to show you the rope variation. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the rope into the carabiner. Once that's done, I fasten the carabiner and I'm ready to go. In terms of this height that I've got the cable machine at right now, I want this at hip height. So on the opposite side to the camera, there's a little pin mechanism. I'm going to pop that out, slide it down to hip height, and once it's fastened in, I'm then ready to go with the exercise. Make sure that you're standing away from the cable machine, and you're going to make sure you've got the whole rope accessible. From here, I bring my arm up, walk out until I can feel some tension, and then from here, core braced, glutes squeezed, and I'm going to think about straightening my elbow. So from this position, straightening the elbow, slowly returning the elbow back to my start position. Straightening the elbow, slowly returning that weight to the start position. If you struggle with that, what you can do is you can use your free hand to basically bolt your arm in place. So what I mean by that is, let's say you're in this position, the elbow's coming out. What you can do is you can use the other hand just to secure that arm in place so there's less movement during the exercise. You don't want to be using your hips or alternatively really using the shoulder. Think about the shoulder as being bolted in place and it's just the elbow that's moving, and when we extend that elbow, of course, it is the tricep that's working. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of repetitions on each side, and that is how to do a single handle tricep overhead extension on a cable machine.